Hello everyone, I'm Juan Lee from CRE and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we went on a field trip and we are here in the offices of Price International, and with me is their product development manager, Billy Ragas.
Hi everyone, I'm Billy from the product development group of Price. So thank you for visiting us.
Yeah, our pleasure. So today, actually, Billy, we heard a lot about this new product in your, you call it Impulse, simalube Impulse product. So can you tell us more about this exciting product?
Okay, but before I go there, let me just give you a brief overview of what come about with this product. So first we had this single point lubricator that comes with 4 different sizes. But with the limitations of this product regarding pressure and distance of dispensing and monitoring the efficiency and the operationability of this product, there goes this Impulse Connect. So here is the booster or the Impulse itself. It's called a booster because it boosts the pressure from 5 bar to 10 bar. With the application of the single point, it can now reach from 1 meter to 4 meters. Depending on the location where you want to put this single point lubricator on your machine or your bearings, it can also operate any position.
Question. When you say it's boosting it, but for the longest time, the problem has always been it can only deliver
1 meter.
1 meter.
Yeah.
And so
without this.
Yes. So it doubles that.
Yeah. Or 4 times.
4 times. Okay. All right.
Then with the capability to monitor this through Bluetooth and through an app. We develop an app to monitor how our simalube works on site with a 20-meter coverage from the point. So as long as you're within that range, you can see how this Impulse is working.
So why is it called Impulse? Is it can you change it remotely, like the flow rates?
Not necessarily, but it was called Impulse because it works like a pulse. The pulse generated from this single point is boosted by this equipment, by this accessory 4 times. 2 times from 5 bar to 10 bar.
All right.
Then it has a monitoring capability through Bluetooth and a visual LED indicator from red, orange, and green.
So distance-wise, how far should the person be to be able to get readings?
Maximum 20 meters.
20 meters.
Same with our Bluetooth in our cell phones, something like that.
All right. So it's not. You won't be able to monitor all the applications from an office. You need to go there.
You still need to go there within 20 meters.
I see.
Yeah.
So would you say that this is an innovation that is not in the market, not available in your competitors?
Actually, it's alternative in the market because for so many years there's been the RFID monitoring for radio frequency, but we decided to create our own monitoring through Bluetooth instead of just copying what's in the market.
Would Bluetooth be better than RFID, or they're just the same? They're just different
Actually,
technology?
I prefer Bluetooth because of the radio frequency interference in the area. It will affect how you get the data or the access on what you need to know.
All right.
Unlike Bluetooth, it's just
okay. So fair enough. So with this innovation, does that expand the application you can do?
Yes.
Like, can you cover things that you normally can't before?
Yeah, before we can only cover non-pressurized lubrication points.
Okay.
But now with the pressure booster up to 10 bars and the limitation in the distance from 1 meter to 10 meters for grease. But for oil, you can also extend it from to 6 meters.
What do you mean?
6 meters.
6 meters?
For oil applications.
I see. Okay.
So this one is applicable for both grease and oil.
Still single point?
Yes,
it doesn't
still single point.
Okay. So, where have you had the success so far with this application?
Actually, this is preferably used on remote sites like quarries, cement mill, cement plants, mining.
Okay.
And because of the hazard in the area, you need to be more aware of your surroundings.
So when you said hazard, is it like one of those explosion-proof?
Yes.
Is it compliant?
Yep.
Okay.
So it's ATEX approved.
Okay.
One IP68 protection.
So it could be washed out with rain, no
Yes,
problem.
it's-
Totally outdoor.
Yep.
Okay.
And temperature-wise, it can operate from -20 Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius.
All right.
And as I said earlier, it can be mounted any position, upside down, sideways.
What about grease? Is there some things that cannot be used, like certain lubricants?
It can only operate under NLGI 2.
Okay. So
Beyond
harder than that cannot.
No,
Okay.
it can.
All right.
It won't push the grease anymore. Like there's a plunger here. It won't come down if it's really the grease is already thick.
So these are great stuff, Billy. So how do people get in touch with you to get more about this innovative product?
Yeah, you can always visit us at our website for www.led-price.com, or you can visit us on our social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.
No TikTok or
No, not
Instagram.
yet. Maybe in the future.
So that's it, folks. Thank you, Billy, for hosting us.
Thank you. The pleasure
And
is ours.
for the time and this excellent presentation. So, guys, if you like the insights you got, please do subscribe, share this video with other people, and feel free to comment so how we can make it better. So, until next time, see you.